This video will show you how a staff can raise service requests on behalf of the guest. Let us see how. Select Guest Service on the front desk. The Guest Service console opens in a new tab. Select the room you wish to raise a request for. Click on Add Task icon under Job Type. Add Task panel will open. Select Guest as request type, since the request is raised on behalf of the guest. Select the room from where the request has been received. Select job type, such as housekeeping. Select service type, such as room clean. Let the status be pending. Add description, if any. Select the due date and time. Click OK. Click on Task List to view the requested service status. This brings us to the end of the video on how a staff can raise service requests on behalf of the guest.